So this is the beginning of a new video series making. It's called Tony and Dave's Outdoor Adventures. We're going to see how many outdoor adventures we can get into in the next 6 weeks before Renee and I take off to Mexico. Today we're at Peyto Lake. It's cold, it's beautiful. Spinning around is not my strength. Cool. They look amazing. It's really beautiful here. Path, if you can see. Well, that's really what my. This is Pedo Lake. December 2, 2023. It's out here today because this is something I otherwise wouldn't have done.
No, I'm glad I met Deb. Are you kidding me?
I'll follow you over here. And it goes down. Woo, it gets deep fast.
That looks cool. That little spot right there. Like something got stuck in it. Like it was painted right there.
Yeah.
Really neat.
It's beautiful. Beautiful. So cool. If you decide to come skating at Peyto Lake early December, stay to the northern end. It's the ice is more smooth there. So that's away from the viewing platform.
You know, I guess the thing with having a terabyte of data is I can
You can do whatever you want.